Hey guys, it's me, Cristiano. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you my very own Dogman comic book. It's not done yet, but so I just wanted to show you the results that we have now. Dogman Cat Kid by Cristiano. Okay, Dogman behind the scenes. What's up, Poochies? We're George and Harold. Me too. As you might remember, we're in 5th grade now. That means we're mature and deep too, y'all. Anywho, our new teacher has been making us read these old Timmy books lately. My, what a splendid book, my good man. Let me adjust my monocle so I may imbibe my substance more indubitably. Those aren't molecules, there's just rings from milk jugs. What, we can't use our imaginations? So anyway, Easton Eden is actually a pretty cool book about cool evil stuff. It totally inspired us. So we started making Dogman comics. It's a story of good, a tale of good, a tale of evil, and a tale of stuff. But before we begin, let's recap our story this far. One time, a cop and a police dog got hurt in an explosion. Kaboom! In the hospital, the doctor gave sad news. Boo-hoo. Your head is dying, cop. Your head is dying, dog. But then the lady got a good idea. Let's sew the dog's head into the cop's body. You are genius. Hooray! Okay, guys, so that's what I have so far. So yeah, if you guys want to see the final results, check back in like 2 days probably, or just make sure to like and subscribe because I will be finishing this book soon. So as soon as I can, I will show you guys the whole book. Bye, guys.